Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if downloads aren't working on Prime Video, won't start, stuck or missing, it's usually due to storage limits, app issues, connection problems or account restrictions. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix downloads not working on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. Okay, so not all titles supports downloads. Downloads are limited by region and licensing, and devices have download limits. Okay, so most issues mean storage, device limits or app glitch. So first thing, check storage space, like ensure you have enough free space on your device. Okay, so low storage means downloads fail or stop. Okay, so you can also check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi, which is recommended. Weak or unstable connection interrupts downloads. Okay, you can restart the app, like close Prime Video and reopen it. This fixes temporary download bugs. You can also restart your device as a whole, so restart your phone, tablet. Okay, it clears system issues affecting downloads. You can update the app as a whole from the store, like go to your app store, search for Amazon Prime Video and look for the updates. If it's available, tap it. If it's not, it's the last version. So it fixes download related bugs too. You can check download limits, like Prime Video allows limited downloads per account or device, so too many downloads means new ones won't start. Okay, so delete all downloads, like go to downloads, okay, and remove watched or expired title. And that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.